In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge multiple PDF files into one on online and free. Here, I'm going to combine these two PDFs into one PDF file. Go to your browser and in search type I love PDF, then hit enter. You will find the site I love PDF. Open this website. Here you will find an option Merge PDF. Click on Merge PDF. Click on Select PDF files. Select your PDF files here. If you wish, you can switch the PDF order. Then you will find an button on lower right corner, Merge PDF. Click on Merge PDF. PDFs have been merged. Click on Download Merge PDF and then you will find the downloaded merged PDF here. Click on Open in folder. Double click on the PDF file and here you will find PDF files are merged into one file. That's it. This is the easiest way to combine multiple PDF file into one.